5410 Renwood. This one's leased, but we did order they're pulling the permit on the garage today, so they'll start working on that here hopefully next week, getting that done. So we got that rolling. It's good to have a basement. You see here they replaced all this, all the stairs, and so you can see here, showed you this last week. They got all that done, all trimmed out, nice. Got the nice, we didn't have to spray the floors, got this gravel on there, which is better actually, a lot better. But this basement's pretty much done. You can see here what they did here on the stairs. New flooring here. Do you want to say something, Sagiv?
Hey, good morning. Hello.
So, you see they got the floors done. All the paint, plugs, switches, lights. All that's done in every room. He's still got to finish the bathroom up here. Got the toilet. But it really looks good. You can see they got all this done. All that. In here, new light, plug switches, blinds, everything. So, I hope to get final pictures. I will in video next week. But we already have a deposit for the rent on this one. So, here's that. So you can see all that's done. Got a lot of room here. Got all the urethane, poly, all painted, all done. So there you go. So I'll get you the final stuff next week. And then I'll also get you pictures of your garage when they put them up. Thanks.